Fix 1. Clean the camera lens and remove the phone case. Sometimes dust or oil on the lens can affect the camera's focusing ability. First, gently wipe the camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to ensure it's clean. Additionally, check if the phone case or screen protector is obstructing the camera lens and remove the case if necessary to eliminate any interference. Fix 2. Manually focus. You can try setting the focus point manually by tapping on the screen. After opening the camera app, tap on the area you want to focus on, and the iPhone will lock the focus at that point. If you find that the iPhone camera keeps refocusing while taking photos, manually setting the focus point may help prevent interference from automatic focusing. Fix 3. Force close and restart the camera app. Step 1. Double-click the home button on your iPhone or swipe up using gestures to access the multitasking view. Step 2. Find the camera app and swipe it up to close it. Step 3. Open the camera app again and check if the autofocus issue has been resolved. Fix 4. Restart the iPhone. If restarting the camera app doesn't help, restarting the device might. A reboot can clear the cache and temporary files on the device, resolving focus issues caused by system errors. Fix 5. Update iOS version. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update. Step 3. After the update is complete, restart your device and check if the autofocus issue is resolved. Fix 6. Reset all settings. This will restore the system's default settings without deleting your personal data and apps. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset all settings. Step 3. Enter your device password to confirm the action. Step 4. After the reset is complete, the camera app may return to normal focusing. Fix 7. Use iOS system recovery. If the iPhone camera keeps refocusing and won't take pictures, issue is caused by a system-level error. You can use iOS system recovery to fix it. Step 1. Download and install the app on your computer by clicking the download button. After launching the app, select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your PC via a USB cable. If it's your first time connecting the device, tap Trust to confirm the connection. Then, click Start to begin the process. Step 3. Verify the iPhone model and other details shown on the interface, and then click Repair to download the latest firmware. The tool will begin fixing the issue automatically. Fix 8. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If all methods fail to resolve the issue, restoring factory settings is the last resort. This action will erase all data, so be sure to back up your data before proceeding. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Step 2. Select Erase all content and settings. Step 3. Enter your password and confirm the action. Step 4. Once completed, set up your iPhone again and test if the camera is functioning properly. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If your iPhone camera keeps refocusing and the above methods don't resolve the issue, it may be a hardware malfunction. In this case, it is recommended to contact Apple support or visit an authorized Apple service center for an inspection. The camera module may need to be repaired or replaced.